Okay, here's your bomb pop. Ha! Psych! Did you really think you were gonna get ice cream from me? Ha! No. You're not getting any. Mister.
What? Really? Nothing? What? A.
Ha ha ha, that was so funny. What should I do now? HMMMMM. Oh, I know. How about I put random things on the ice cream and give it to any characters that come by? Let's do that. I got this gooey slime. I'll put this on the ice cream to make it look gross. And how about I put a ton of salt in one of them? Hey, do you want some ice cream?
Sure. EW. What is on this?
I put slime on it.
Why would you do that?
To troll you, lol.
Well, this isn't funny. Please give me one without this.
No. Screw you, Davy. Hey. Want some ice cream?
Yeah.
Well, here you go then. Whoops. I missed.
Yuck. Why is this so salty?
I put a bunch of salt in it to mess with you.
What? I can't believe you did this.
How.
You make me really sad and upset. I can't believe you.
Ha. Get lost, loser. How about I drive to Piccadilly Circus, make the characters think they're gonna get ice cream, but then just drive off. I'll do that now.
Give a thumbs up for part 2 and click on this episode.